Most hacking tools look the same. Black terminal, white text, a command you type, an output you read. And that's fine. That's the job. But every now and then, you land on a website that makes you stop and just stare at the screen for a second. Not because it's complicated, because it looks insane, because you're watching real cyber attacks happen on a 3D globe in real time, or you're seeing a domain's entire network drawn out as a live map, or you're looking at a visual web of how malware connects to hundreds of IPs across the world. This video is educational and for authorized use only. All 4 websites are for learning, security research, and ethical hacking within proper scope. Legal use always. Website number 1, Kaspersky Cyberthreat Real-Time Map. Open this one first, right now, because the screenshot does not do it justice. Kaspersky's Cyberthreat Real-Time Map is a live, rotating 3D globe covered in attack vectors firing across continents in real time. You're looking at actual malicious traffic, email threats, web attacks, network intrusion attempts, malware detections, all visualized as beams of light connecting countries to each other as the data flows. You can click on any country and see the real-time statistics. Which countries are sending the most attacks? Which are receiving the most? Which threat categories are most active? It updates constantly because the data feeding it is live. Is this a tool you'll use to hack something? No. But here's why every ethical hacker should spend time on it. It visualizes what the threat landscape actually looks like. When your client asks why their organization's perimeter security matters, you pull this up. When you're writing a threat model and need to understand regional attack patterns, this gives you a live snapshot. And when someone who doesn't work in security asks you what you do for a living, you open this and let it speak. Nothing makes the reality of the threat landscape more visceral than watching it happen live on a spinning globe. cybermap.kaspersky.com. Just open it. Website number 2, DNS Dumpster. This one looks simple until you hit search, and then the output genuinely surprises people the first time. DNS Dumpster is a free domain reconnaissance tool. You type in any domain name, just the domain, nothing else, and within seconds it returns every subdomain it can find, all DNS records, associated IP addresses, mail servers, and hosting providers. But the part that makes it stand out from every other DNS lookup tool is the visual map. Below the raw data, DNS Dumpster generates an actual network diagram, a relationship graph showing how the domain, its subdomains, its mail servers, and its IP addresses all connect to each other. Boxes connected by lines, laid out visually, so you can see the entire infrastructure of a target organization at a glance, instead of reading through a list. For bug bounty hunters and pen testers doing initial recon on an authorized target, this map is the starting point. You can see at a glance whether there are forgotten subdomains pointing to old servers, whether mail infrastructure is separated from the main host, and which IP blocks the organization is using. It queries certificate transparency logs, common crawl, and search engines, so it surfaces things that basic DNS brute force would miss. No account required. Completely free. DNSDumpster.com. Type any domain and watch the map appear. Website number 3, OSINT Framework. If someone asks you, what OSINT tools exist for X, this is the page you open. OSINT Framework is an interactive visual mind map of every category of open source intelligence resource that exists. It starts as a tree diagram. Top-level nodes like username, email, IP, social networks, dark web, people search, phone numbers, documents, images, and every single node expands outward into more categories, which expand into actual tools, websites, and resources. You click username, it branches into subcategories. You click a subcategory, it branches into actual links. There are hundreds of tools organized into this single interactive map. You can spend an hour clicking through categories and discovering resources you've never heard of. For someone new to OSINT, this is the most comprehensive single starting point that exists. For someone experienced, it's the reference you open when you need a specific type of tool you don't use often enough to remember off the top of your head. The visual tree structure is also what makes it genuinely useful, rather than just a long list. You can see categories at a glance, understand where different tools fit in the broader OSINT methodology, and navigate intuitively without knowing in advance what you're looking for. OSINTFramework.com. Every OSINT resource, organized visually. WiGLE.net. Last one. And this is the OSINT tool that surprises people the most when they see what it actually contains. WiGLE stands for Wireless Geographic Logging Engine. It's a community-maintained database of wireless networks, Wi-Fi and cellular, that have been reported by contributors who drive or walk around with devices running network detection apps. And by database, I mean over 1 billion networks collected over more than 2 decades, all geolocated on an interactive map. You open WiGLE and you're looking at a map of the world covered in colored dots. Each dot is a wireless network, a Wi-Fi access point whose SSID, BSSID, encryption type, and geographic coordinates have been logged and submitted. Zoom into any city and the density of dots is genuinely staggering. Zoom into a specific street and you can see individual access points for individual buildings. The OSINT application is real. During authorized recon of a physical location, for a physical penetration test, or a wireless security assessment, or understanding what wireless infrastructure exists at a target location before an engagement, WiGLE tells you what networks are present without you ever going near the site. You can search by SSID, type a network name, and see every time that network has been logged anywhere in the world, and on what date. You can search by BSSID to track a specific access point across locations over time. Free account unlocks advanced search and the full map experience. WiGLE.net, a billion wireless networks, all on a map. Spend 10 minutes on each one, and leave a comment. Which one hit the hardest when you first saw it? Like and subscribe for more content exactly like this. See you in the next one.